Hey guys, you're watching Atmosphere, and today's video we are going to Qutub Minar and we will be exploring architecture of Qutub Minar. It will be like a vlog kind of form and my friend will be joining me. Like I'm taking a metro to Qutub Minar and फिर उसके बाद वहाँ पे जाके explore करना है and I will be explaining architecture of Qutub Minar and how it is constructed. So you will definitely going to enjoy it. So watch this video till the end and do like and subscribe to my channel.
बहकी सभी जुबां है, हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
Are you excited for Qutub Minar?
No.
Have you ever seen it?
Yeah, many times.
Qutub Minar? Oh, you're from Delhi, right? फाइनली बारिश ही हो रही है और हम कुतुब मीनार में एंट्री बहुत गलत टाइम कर रहे थे एंड सामने कुतुब मीनार का स्टार्ट हो गया बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बारिश की वजह से प्रॉपर्ली शूट नहीं हो पाएगा। आई थिंक व्हाट डू यू थिंक नहीं हो पाएगा।
ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है।
So guys, we are at Qutub complex today and I'm standing next to Qutub Minar, which is the tallest minaret and it is also known as Victory Tower and it is situated in Lal Kot district, which was a heritage area and it's the oldest heritage area of Delhi. So we will be exploring Qutub Minar this time and with me I have Yashasvi who will be helping me and we are going to explore Qutub Minar this time and let's see what's around there.
ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिपे छिपाए, हम ना आए 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 हम ना आए, ऐसी जी छिपे छिपाए, ऐसी जी हम न पाए।
Guys, I am standing next to Qutub Minar now and as you know Qutub Minar by the name of Qutub Minar it was constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak and like he died in mid stage of the construction. So Firoz Shah Tughlaq completed the construction of Qutub Minar. So guys, you can see that Qutub Minar is a 5-story building here and inside Qutub Minar is just circular staircase which leads to the top here and when I talk about the construction, it is mostly constructed from redstone and marble and this is how it looks like. And when I talk about the height of Qutub Minar, it's around 73 meters and constructing this kind of monument at that era was a marvel in itself and you can see the beauty of it and this is how it looks like.
अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी है। सहनी हमें
Let's
सजा
explore the Qutub Minar complex.
Now we are going to explore Qutub Minar complex and we can see a lot of things around here and yeah, we together will explore it. So guys, we are standing at Qutub complex, and as you know, Qutub complex is a perfect example of Indo-Islamic architecture. And when I'm talking about Qutub complex, there are many more elements that are inside this complex, such as iron pillar, and there are one more mosque, which is like it is the oldest mosque in the northern era, like in the Northern Empire. It was the oldest mosque, and at that time, Qutub Minar was used as a platform to serve azan at that time.
ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए, हम ना आए। ऐसी जी छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जी हम न पाए। ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए, हम ना आए। ऐसी जी छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जी हम न पाए।
So abhi raat ho gayi hai and we are leaving this place, and this complex is looking so great, right, Yashasvi?
Yeah, it is.
Like, see the lighting and see everything around it, and it looks so cool.
ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए।
The kind of auto that we want.
ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए।